Today on the Stay at Home Chef, I'm showing you how to make restaurant-style arugula salad. I love those little arugula salads that you get as sides and garnishes in restaurants. They taste so good. Today, I'm going to show you how to make one of those at home. We're going to start by making a dressing. You'll need a 1/4 cup of extra virgin olive oil, about a teaspoon of zested lemon, and 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. Now, since you're using lemon zest in this recipe, I highly recommend also using freshly squeezed lemon juice in this as well, because it makes all the difference. There's just nothing that beats fresh. You'll also need a teaspoon of white wine vinegar, 1/2 teaspoon of sugar to sweeten things up and balance out the flavor, and then 1 clove of crushed garlic. Whisk this all together. And that's it for your dressing. You can actually just pour this straight over arugula, but I like to add one more thing, some shaved parmesan. So I just take a little peeler and peel off or shave off some parmesan. I love that little bite of shaved parmesan. The trick to this salad is to keep it really simple. You could load it up with some tomatoes and onions, but really it's best just simple with the arugula and parmesan. You'll want to use 5 ounces of baby arugula for the best results. Then just pour on your dressing, give it a toss, and you are ready to eat. Thanks for watching. You can find the full written recipe in the video description. Be sure to subscribe and check out the rest of my videos where you can find hundreds of restaurant quality recipes you can easily make at home. See you later.